Dear student, today we will discuss about chapter number 20, volume and surface area of solids. First we will talk about the cube. A solid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called the cube. Now formula related to the cubes are total surface area of cube 6 into side square, lateral surface area 4 into side square, diagonal of cube square root 3 into side, volume equal side cube. These are the formula of cube. Now see that cuboid, a solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called cuboid. Now we will talk about the formula related to the cuboid. Total surface area equal 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL square unit. Lateral surface area equal 2 into height bracket length plus breadth. Diagonal of cuboid is square root L square B square H square. Volume equal length into breadth into height cubic unit. Now cylinder. Right circular cylinder. If the axis of cylinder is perpendicular to the each cross section, then cylinder is called a right circular cylinder. See that figure. Bases are circular and top and bottom both are circular. Now formula related to the cylinder is total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. CSA or lateral surface area is 2 pi rh and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. These are the formula related to the cylinder. Friends, we will see the first question of our exercise 28. Question is saying find the volume, lateral surface area and total surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are given. Length is given 22 centimeter, breadth is given 12 centimeter and height is given 7.5 centimeter. We have to find total surface area. So we will write the first formula of total surface area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Now we have to put the value in place of length 22 and in place of breadth 12, 12 into 7.5, 7.5 into 22. Now I have to put value of L, B and H. Now we will do the multiplications of L into B. L into B equal 22 12 are 264 and 12 7.5s are 90 and 7.5 22s are 165. Now we will add all the values of these brackets. It will be equal to 519. 519 twos are 1038 square centimeter. This is our TSA of cuboid. Now we have to find the lateral surface area. So finding the lateral surface area, LSA, formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2 into H bracket L plus B. Now we have to put the value of L, B and H. Value of H equal 7.5, value of L equal 22, value of B equal 12. Now simply multiply 7.5 to the 15 into 22 plus 12 equal to 34. Now again we will multiply this 15 into 34, it will equal to 510 square centimeter. Now at last we have to find volume. Volume of cuboid, formula of volume of cuboid equal L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Value of length is given 22, breadth is given 12 and height is given 7.5. Multiply these, we will get 1980 cube centimeter. Now we have to find TSA, LSA and volume by using the formulas. Now we will see question number 6 of our exercise 20A. Question is saying a cardboard box is 1.2 meter long. Means length of cardboard is 1.2 meter long. So first of all we write cardboard. Length of cardboard is given 1.2 meter. Breadth is given 72 centimeter and height is given 54 centimeter. See that length is given in meter, breadth is given in centimeter and height is given in centimeter. So I have to change length also into centimeter for making calculation easy. 1 meter has 100 centimeter, 1.2 meter equal 120 centimeter. Now all three values are in centimeter. Question is asking how many bars of soap can be put into it if each bars measure 6 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Means in this cardboard box we have to put the soaps, bars of soaps. How many bars of soap can be put in this cardboard box? For that, first of all we have to find the volume of cardboard box. Volume of cardboard box equal length into breadth into height. Length is given 120 centimeter, breadth 72 centimeter and height 54 centimeter. Unit of volume is equal to cube centimeter. This is the volume of cardboard box. Now soap. Length of soap is given 6 centimeter, breadth is given 4.5 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. All three values are in centimeter, so we will find the volume of one soap. L into B into H, length is given 6 centimeter, breadth is 4.5 and height is given 4. This is the cube centimeter. Now we have to find the how many bars can be put in this cardboard box. For that we will divide volume of soap to volume of cardboard. Finding the number of soap, we have to divide volume of cardboard box by volume of one soap. The volume of cardboard box is given 120 72 into 54 cube centimeter. Volume of one soap is also given as 6 into 4.5 into 4 cube centimeter. Now divide cube centimeter to cube centimeter. Remove this point, it will come here 0. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 0. Now divide by 5. 5 9 is 45 and 5 4 is 20. 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72. Now remaining is, now divide by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4. Remaining is 1, 4 14, 4 3 is 12 and 4 5 are 20. What is the remaining number? 4 into 8 into 135. Multiplication of this number is equal to 4320. It means how many soap bar? 4320 soap bar can be put in this cardboard. Now we will discuss first question of 20B exercise. Question is saying find the volume, curved surface area and total surface area of each of the cylinders whose dimensions are. In first question, radius of the base is given 7 cm and height is given 50 cm. Now we have to find the three values. First value, we have to find TSA. TSA of cylinder, TSA means total surface area of cylinder. Formula of total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Now we have to put the value in this formula. 2 into value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7 and r is given 7 cm. Into r value is 7 cm, h value is 50 cm. Now cancel 7 to 7, 22 4 ja 40, 2 ja 44 and 50 and 7 57. We will multiply 44 into 57. It will come 2508 square centimeter is TSA of cylinder. Similarly, we will find CSA. CSA means curved surface area of cylinder is asking. Formula of CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now put the value. 2 value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Value of r is given 7 and value of h equal to 50. Now cancel 7 to 7. 44 into 50 will be equal to 2200 square centimeter. This is the CSA. Just type, we will solve the volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Put the value in this formula. 22 upon 7. Value of r is given 7 into 7. H equal to 50. Now cancel 7 to 7. 22 into 7 into 50. We will multiply that. All numbers, it will be equal to 7700 cube centimeter. Thus we have to find TSA, CSA and volume of the cylinder. Number 11 of exercise 20B. Question is saying curved surface area of cylinder is given. Curved surface area, it means CSA is given 4400 square centimeter and formula of CSA is equal to 2 pi r h equal 4400 square centimeter. Next is given circumference of its base. Circumference means base of circumference formula equal to 2 pi r. Value of 2 pi r is given 110 centimeter. First we will find the height. 2 pi r and h equal 4400. In value of 2 pi r we will put from here 110 into h equal 4400 square centimeter. For finding the height, we will divide 4400 by 110. 0 to 0 cancel. 11 4 ja 44. Height is equal to 40 centimeter. Thus we have find the height. We have to find the volume. For volume we have to also require radius. Radius we will find from here. Circumference is given 110. We have to find the value of r. R equal 110 upon 2 pi. R equal 110. Value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. 7 will come here. R equal 22, 5 is 110, 35 upon 2 centimeter is radius. Now we have both radius and height. We will find the volume. Formula of volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Value of r is here we have find 35 upon 2. 35 upon 2 into value of h equal 40. Now multiply these all and cancel. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35, 2 1 ja 2, 11, 2 1 ja 2, 20. Multiplication of all these number 11 into 5 into 35 into 20 will be equal to 38,500 cube centimeter of volume of cylinder. Thus we have find the volume.